Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Please verify audio video is okay, Atma. Strategy to be in top 10. Strategy to be in top 10. Right, fine. So someone asking where is the remaining lectures of plus CN course? Yeah, very soon I will do that. I'm working on that. Right, I'm asking, so they are saying that within few more days they will arrange. Right, sure. Surely I will do that. Hi Rajkumar, hi. Hi. Like I have class approximately until 8:30. 8:30 or 8:45 I have class, so I became little late. I'm really sorry for that. Sir, I'm 35. Am I still eligible in PSU? I think few exams you may be eligible. You have to see eligibility criteria. Right? Which exam you want to write? Please see the eligibility criteria. Yeah. So Rajkumar, my suggestion is, right? Rajkumar, I'm saying the suggestion to you, right? So from now onwards you start practicing the PYQs. You start solving the RIC, right? Because of you are already member. You can access the RIC rank improvement course, right? So all the rank improvement course, if you see, 300 questions per subject is there, right? Please do one by one. Please keep on rectify, and every time whenever an academy will conduct any test, right? Please be topper in that. Please be topper. And one more, last 2 months you will find out so many tests will be there, right? So many tests will be there. You keep on write, keep on improve, right? If you keep on doing like that until GATE exam day, you are going to get very nice rank. Last 3 months, right? Last 3 months you will start writing the test series also. RIC also complete. Now concentrate on your weak areas, how to improve. Right, let me start now. Right, I'm going to give some suggestions to you. I'm going to give some suggestions, right? So please, right, please work out on this. If anyone is right, don't know what they have to do in these 5 months, I will suggest you few things. So please take care. Right, let me start now. So Ruchik is saying that, sir, I'm right, sir. From where I should start preparation? I'm second year student. Ruchik, in my suggestion, your second year is the correct time to start preparing for a GATE examination. Please start preparing now. My suggestion is please start preparing now. Right? If anyone is there here, second year person, you start preparing now. If anyone is there, third year person, you start preparing now. First year people not required, second year people you can start preparing now. Now don't delay it. Don't delay. Third year people also. Right. Those people who are preparing for 2023, I will give few suggestions. Right. I will give few suggestions. Right. Please work on that. Please work on. So strategy to be in top 10. Right. Through experience, whatever I got. Through experience, whatever I got. Right. I will write all of them one by one. You can go through it. So if any advantage is there, see, if I say some points, right, some points may not be matched to you, right, some point may not be matched to you. Just to see if it is really working, you can go ahead. No need to do forcefully, right? Let's check. Let's check this. I'm starting one by one. I'm starting one by one. See everyone. See everyone. So I think I may say few points which really useful to you. Everyone listen carefully. Everyone listen carefully. Right? Let's start. See this. Those people, before going to say all the important things and all. So just I want to remind you everyone, if you are serious about GATE examination, if you are really serious about GATE examination, my suggestion, please take subscription in Unacademy. Please take subscription because it is really useful to you. Right? All iconic classes one place. If you want to study quick sort, you can study. If you want to study merge sort, you can study. You no need to go here and there. And all questions will be one place. Right? Question followed by answer in the video. Right? There is a chat section also available. Students are keep on asking doubt. You can see your doubt also there in that. My suggestion to everyone. If you are serious, right, take the subscription. 20% off is going on. This offer is going to close. Most probably today is the last day for this offer. Right? If you are really serious, you take. Not serious, don't take. If you are serious, you take. Use the referral code ReddySir. Next one. So if you take the iconic course, you will get the Unacademy test series also. You will get the Unacademy notes also, Unacademy material also. Right? If you want to buy specially those, right, without taking iconic, you can buy also. So my suggestion is go for iconic. Go for iconic so that you no need to buy anything extra. Everything will be available if you go for iconic. Next one, if you want, you can go for EMI option also. You can utilize EMI option. Now it's me. I used to teach in Unacademy algorithm, data structures, compiler design, theory of computation, discrete mathematics, computer network, digital. These are the subjects I am teaching in Unacademy. Right? So recording also there, live also there. Recording also there, live also there. Recently I started, 2 days back I started discrete mathematics. Right? So algo live is going on. Discrete mathematics live is going on. Next one is going to be, right, TOC also live is going on. Remaining subjects there is a recording. So my suggestion, right? My suggestion is take the subscription. All are there recorded manner. All are there in the live also. You can study whatever you want, right? The only thing is after taking, please utilize fully. Some people after taking, they don't utilize, right? Then why are you taking? So if you take subscription, please utilize properly. Right? You have only 5 months time. Utilize properly. Right? So at Unacademy iconic subscription or plus subscription, those videos are so valuable. Right? Utilize properly. Use the referral code ReddySir to get the discount. Right? If you go for plus, right, only these advantage. If you go for iconic, many advantages. My suggestion is go for iconic. Right? This is my suggestion. So if those people who are serious, without delaying 1 day also, please take iconic subscription. You can utilize fully. You will get the test series also. You will get the material also. You will get the so many quality videos, recording also, live also. Right? Let's start now. To get the top 10 rank, what you have to do? To get the top 10 rank, what you have to do, right? I'm saying these are very, very important. Please be careful. Please be careful. If you want to get the top 10, right, what you have to do? See this one. First one, right? First point which you have to take care is. First point what you have to take care is. See this one. All subjects you have to study. All subjects you have to study. That is the first thing. If you want to get the top 10, right? If you want to see top 10, lot of competition, approximately 1 lakh people are writing. Approximately 1 lakh people are writing. If you go with the half subjects, you don't get top 10. If you go with the 80% subjects, you don't get top 10. Trust me. So you have to study every subject. You have to study. You no need to do research. Some people, they are doing research on a few subjects. No, every subject study, right? I think I will write this line also. See, I will write this line also. I am writing this also. At least complete. At least complete. At least complete. Important topics. At least complete. Important topics. In each subject. At least complete important topics in each subject. So if you want to get the nice rank, I am really saying again and again. If you want to get the best rank, every subject you have to study. You no need to study A to Z, right? In every subject, important things you study. Right? Let me say a few things. Let me say what is the meaning of important. Every year GATE examination. Right? Every year GATE examination, heap sort question is coming. Every year GATE examination, heap sort question is coming. Every year GATE examination, graph theory question is coming. Every year GATE examination, time complexity question is coming. Every year GATE examination, minimum cost spanning tree question is coming. Every year GATE examination, most of the time, every year GATE examination, that single source shortest path, Dijkstra's algorithm coming. Every year in GATE examination, matrix chain multiplication, right, is coming. So like that in every subject, right, important topics are there. If you go to the operating system, in every year you will see that synchronization, 1 or 2 problems will come. Synchronization, 1 or 2 problem. Every year you take database management system, SQL query will come. Every year if you take that database normalization, right, 1 problem will come. Right? Every year if you see in database only, transaction management, 1 question will come. If you go to the data structures, every year I am able to see 2 or 3 problems on pointers. So pointers prepare. Every year 2 or 3 questions on probability. Right? Probability, 20 questions you practice. Next one, every year I am in GATE examination, right, 4 marks will come. Regular expressions and finite automata. 4 marks will come. Right? Go ahead. Every year in GATE examination from undecidability, right, 1 question will come. Please go ahead that also. Every year in GATE examination, right, from closure properties, 4 marks may come. So I can keep on say all the subjects. So find out every day your goal is, from today onwards your goal, every day this only, in this subject, right, what are the important. If you study every subject A to Z, I don't have any problem. If you study every subject A to Z, I don't have any problem. Right? At least, but one thing, to get the top rank, right, you have to study every subject. To make you happy, I can say You can study half subjects, but you don't get the rank. To make everyone happy, if you study 80% subjects, okay. If you study 50% subjects, okay. I can say that, but you don't get finally good rank. So please study every subject. Don't leave one subject also. At least study important topics. Suppose isn't that let's take the OS, right? CPU scheduling, right? One question will come. Next one, synchronization, one question will come. Memory management, one question will come. Deadlock, one question will come. So please go like that. Important topics you take care. File management, some questions will come. So my suggestion, every subject at least study important things, because most of the questions will come in GATE examination from the PYQs only. The things which came previously, again they will come in the different manner. So this is the very important one. All subjects you have to study. All subjects you have to study, because 1 lakh people are fighting. 1 lakh people are fighting. If you study half, it don't work out. If you study half, it don't work out. All subjects you have to study. At least complete important topics in each subject. Next one. Second point. Second point I'm saying, see, don't do research in few subjects. Don't do research in few subjects. Don't do research in few subjects. Some people like a computer network. They keep on doing again and again, right? Some people like algorithm. They will do again and again. Some people like data structure. They will do again and again. So my suggestion is, please study all subjects equally, because all are important. All are important. Even mathematics also important. Even aptitude also important if you want to get the nice rank. Right? Supposition that there is a vehicle, there are 4 wheels are there. Any wheel damage, that vehicle don't work out. There is a vehicle which is going, one of the wheel is damaged. It don't work out. Similar way, right? 12 subjects are there. Every subject is important. Every important topic is important. My suggestion to everyone, right? Studying one subject, right? 3 months, studying one subject 5 days, it is not a good idea. Please give equal importance to every subject. Every mark is important. So my suggestion is, don't do research in few subjects. Don't do research in few subjects. Next one. 3. Those subjects which you completed, those subjects which you completed, those subjects which you completed, right? Make short notes. Make short notes. Make short notes, and one more thing is revise. Revise after every 10 days or 15 days, 10 to 15 days. Those subjects which you completed, make short notes and revise after every 10 to 15 days. Yeah, so some people are asking, sir, how many times we have to revise? How many times we have to revise? Right? So every 10 to 15 days, one time you see. Every 10 to 15 days, because otherwise you will forget. Yes, there is a RIC for CN. So someone is asking, sir, make important topics video. So I think Jyoti, I already given. Please check one time. Please see my previous videos. I already done. Please see my videos previously. I already done. Those subjects which you completed, make short notes. Revise after 10 days. After every 10 to 15 days. So short note size. Short note size. Short note size. Right? Maximum. Max 30 pages. Per subject. Short note size is maximum 30 pages. Max 30 pages. Per subject. Max 30 pages per subject. Those subjects which you completed, make short notes, revise after every 10 to 15 days. Short note size should be maximum 30 pages, right, per subject. So please careful. It is very, very important. See, if anyone don't make the short notes, at the time of revision, right? So revising, right? 500 page notes for a particular subject, 300 page notes for a particular subject, it will take a lot of time. So see this one, if at all 30 pages are there, revision will take maybe 1 day. If 300 pages are there, revision will take, right, minimum 1 week. 300 pages revision 1 week. 30 pages revision 1 day. It will save a lot of time. Whatever subjects you completed, please make short notes. Please make short notes. Don't leave one subject also. Because we don't know from which subject easy questions will come. From which subject tough questions will come. Don't leave one subject also. Because we don't know from which subject easy questions will come. From which subject tough questions will come. If easy question came, everyone will do. If you don't do, problem. If tough question came, no one will do. You also cannot do, no one can do. So my suggestion, we don't know from which subject easy questions will come. We don't know from which subject tough questions will come. So prepare every subject. Right? Prepare every subject. Right, fine. Next one, 2. Don't do research in few subjects. Those subjects, see, because all are important. Every subject is important. Next one. Those subjects which you completed, make short notes, revise after every 10 to 15 days. Short note size cannot go more than 30 pages. Now go to the fourth point. Right, fourth point. See this one. Fourth point. See, fourth point, no need to solve big problems. Please be clear. Basics. Please be clear with basics. Don't do big proofs. Don't solve big problems. Right? Don't solve big problems. Don't go for the big proofs. Please be clear with the basics. GATE exam questions are basics only. Right? GATE exam questions are basic questions only. Right? They will keep some small tricks they will keep. Small magics they will do. So they are very easy problem, right? They will give easy problem with small, right? Small tricks are there. My suggestion is don't study right, big problems. Don't study right, big theorems. Don't study big proofs. Right? So GATE exam is completely basics only. Please be clear basics. Please be clear with basics. Every subject basics please learn. Right? In the normalization, what is the basics? Right? In the case of SQL, what is the basics? In the case of pointers, what are the basics? Because they don't give big problems. You no need to go for big proofs. Right? Please be clear with basics. Because GATE problems are basics only. Because GATE questions are basics only. Please be clear with basics. Right? They don't go for, see, you no need of big formulas, big proofs, right? Big derivations, big problems. Right? Please be clear with basics because GATE questions are almost basics. Almost basics only. 5. Try to avoid. Try to avoid. Try to avoid. Right? Let me write this one. Try to avoid using mobile phones, using mobile, social media. In these 5 months. Try to avoid using mobile or right social media in these 5 months. See, some people are spending lot of time. Some people are spending lot of time in the right social media, lot of time in the internet. They are watching so many videos. They are watching, right? So don't waste your time. Don't waste your valuable time. Don't waste your valuable time. Right? If you are a plus member or iconic member, just go to the right. If you are a plus member or iconic member, just go to Unacademy classes, whichever topic you want to study. Don't study in the YouTube here and there. Right? So many videos are there. Lot of time will waste also. My suggestion to all of you. My suggestion to all of you. Right? So please don't waste these 5 months valuable time. Try to get in every month. Try to get in every month. Right? 15 marks. It is possible. It is possible. Every day, one important topic you study. Every day, one important topic like that. 30 days, 30 important topics. So if you see 5 months, 30 into 5, 150 important topics. Every important topic, right, will give approximately 2 marks. Or 1 mark or 2 mark, right? If you study 150 topics, right, you will definitely get the 70 marks, something like that. Please try every day, right, some important topics. Every day one important topic like that. 30 days, 30 important topics. 150 days, 150 important topics. Important topic is that one, right, which given the marks in the previous years. Mostly those only will come. If you don't have time, please do that. If you are already done, right? If you are already done, there is no problem at all. If at all you are not done, at least do that. Try to avoid using mobile or social media in these 5 months, right? So if you keep on using the phone and all, right, you may not study properly. So my suggestion, utilize. If really required, you can go ahead. Really not required, don't waste your time. Next one, sixth point. Sixth point. Right? Sixth point. Make sure everyone, right? Make sure. Sixth point. See, I think September. Try to complete. Try to complete. Try to complete. Total syllabus. Total syllabus. total syllabus in this month only. In this month only. In this month only. Try to complete total syllabus in this month only. So that if you do that, advantage is going to be, see this one. If you do that advantage, see this one. October, November, December, January, these 4 months, practice is very, very important. These 4 months practice. So what I will do is, I will take the rank improvement course. For every subject, right? So 300 to 500 questions I will explain. Right? The class notes, whatever we done, followed by, for every subject 300 to 500 questions I will explain. So, right, class notes followed by these questions, more than enough. Last 4 months, please give more importance to practice only. Practice questions. Test series. Last 2 months. Last 2 to 3 months. Test series. Last 2 to 3 months. Test series. Yeah, so those people, see this one. Suppose some syllabus left out. 9th one, see this one. Some syllabus left out. Let us assume that some syllabus left out. See this one. Before end of the September, try to complete syllabus. Before end of the September, try to complete the syllabus. Still, if it is something left out, let us assume that these are completed subjects. Completed, not completed. So completed subjects, not completed. So what you do is, if anyone unable to complete the syllabus, before September ending, if you are unable to complete the syllabus before September ending, what you do is, completed subjects, 50% time allocate for practice. Completed subject, 50% time allocate. Not completed subjects, 50% time allocate. So suppose in the totally 12 hours you are studying, 6 hours here, allocate like this. So please, my suggestion is, October 1st onwards, you have to start practicing. At least practice, whichever you completed. At least practice, whichever you completed. 6 hours you study for, right? 6 hours for, right, practicing the question, 6 hours for completing the syllabus. Suppose isn't that, right? So you completed more subjects, right? Some more subjects are left out. Then 80% time allocate here. If you completed most of the subjects, 80% time here, right? 20% time here you can allocate. Means I think approximately I can say here, right? So maybe I think out of 12 hours, right? Maybe you can keep here 8 hours, 4 hours maybe here. Suppose assume that, right? Many subjects not completed. Then what you do is, many subjects not completed. Then what you do is, reverse you can do. 30% here, completed subjects 30% you practice, right? 70% time not completed. But remember, right? October 1st onwards, practice should start. If anyone thinking, after completion of all subjects I will start practicing, right? If you keep on postponing, so everyone is practicing, you are not practicing, you may not be the winner. So October 1st onwards, you have to start practicing. Last 2 months, you have to write test series. Whichever subjects you are not completed, right? If you feel lot of time it is taking, go important topics. Go important topics. And one more, most important thing is, let me give that point also. Most important thing is, 10th point. Most important thing is, listen, take GATE exam as, take GATE exam as challenge, not as burden. This is the most important thing. Take GATE exam as a challenge. Forget about rank. Take it as a challenge. Those people who are watching this video, I want to say to you, take it as a challenge. Forget about rank. Whatever best you can, you do. Whatever best you can do. Whatever best you can do. Suppose in that out of 12, 7 subjects you completed, you are almost okay. Out of 12, 7 subjects you completed. 5 more subjects are left out. So you just do. 7 subjects you completed. Just give some time for this. Say this one. 7 subjects you completed. What you do is this model. 80% go for practicing questions. 20% go for the new subjects. Because 7 subjects you complete means almost two done. 7 subjects you complete means almost two done. You can go to this category. Suppose you completed only 5. Then go here. But start practicing October 1st onwards. Suppose 50-50, go here. 50-50, go here. This is the very important thing. Some people thinking GATE exam is a pain. Some people are thinking GATE exam is a pain. Please don't think that. Take it as a challenge. Right? Do as much best as you can do. 12 subjects studying, 12 subjects knowledge gaining is a blessing. 12 subjects knowledge gaining is a blessing. You will get the very nice rank. My suggestion is 12 subjects you learn properly. Properly you learn. Within these 5 months which are left out, take it as a challenge. Whatever best you can do. So, take GATE exam as a challenge but not as a burden. If you think it as a burden, you never grow. If you think it is a burden, you never grow. Just take it as a nice opportunity. GATE exam is a nice opportunity to make your life better. So take it as a challenge, whatever best you can do. 11th point. See this one. Don't think more. Please avoid overthinking. Please start overworking. Please avoid overthinking. Please start overworking. Some people always they are thinking, if I don't get rank, what will happen? If I don't get rank, what will happen? You only say, what will happen? If I don't get rank, how I will survive? If my friend get, if I don't get, so what will happen? So they keep on thinking. please stop overthinking. Please start doing overworking. I'm really saying to you, please stop overthinking. Please start do overworking. Take it as a challenge. Every subject you have to study, because the reason is you don't know from which subject easy questions will come. You don't know from which subject tough questions will come. So anything can happen. Once few years, some subjects which normally people will ignore, from those right questions came more and easy also. Those subjects where normally questions will come, from that particular subject questions came very tough. So we don't know from which subject it will come. Best idea, just to do your best in every subject. Don't do research. Don't leave one subject also. At least in every subject complete important topics. And October 1st onwards you have to start practicing the questions. Suppose lot of syllabus there, give less time to practice, give more time to completing syllabus. Suppose more subjects you are already completed, give more time to practice, less time to completing syllabus. But make sure it is a one game. GATE exam is a one wonderful game. You are playing one game, right? Try to win. Means do best work. You no need to cry. No need. Nothing will happen. Whether you will get the rank or not, you will survive. Whether you will get the rank or not, you will survive. No need to bother. But GATE will give wonderful opportunity to make your life better. So instead of thinking badly, think in the positive way. Right? Take it as a challenge. Do your best. Stop overthinking. Right? Just to do overworking. Right? These are all the points. See, 11 points I get them. All will be useful to you. Let me read once again. All subjects you have to study. At least complete important topics in each subject. Don't do research in few subjects. Those subjects which you completed, make short notes. Revise after every 10 to 15 days. Short note size should be 30 pages per subject. Please be clear with the basics. Basics only. GATE exam is basics only. Right? Tricky questions. In the basics only, they will give some tricks. In basics only, they will play games. So please be clear with the basics. Because GATE questions are almost basics. Don't do proof. Don't do proofs. Not required. Don't do proofs. Right? Not required. Don't solve big problems. Big problems, don't bother. All are tricks only. GATE exam is tricks only. Next one. Try to avoid using mobile or social media in these 5 months, because it will kill lot of time. Some people are asking, sir, what should I do? Instead of going at YouTube, seeing that video, my suggestion is, if you are a iconic member of Unacademy, iconic or plus member of Unacademy, please utilize it. Please utilize from there. Right? Go to the required topic study. Go to the RIC practice. Once again, last 2 months I will take once again RIC. Right? Next one, that is the 5th point. 6th point. Try to complete total syllabus within this month only. At September ending, try to complete. Last 4 months you have to do practice. Last 2 to 3 months test series you have to write. So divide the total time into 2 parts: completed, not completed. So if at all, so half subjects completed, half subjects not completed. So 50% for completing practice, 50% completing new subjects. Next one, suppose you completed more subjects, 80% for practice, 20% for new. Suppose many subjects are left out, 30% for practice, 70% for new subjects. Allocate whatever way you want, but start practicing questions from October 1st. Take GATE exam as a challenge, but not as a burden. Please avoid overthinking. Please start overworking. So I think it will be useful to you. I think it will be useful to you. Those people who are serious, if you are not member of Iconic subscription or plus subscription, my serious suggestion, take the subscription. Take the subscription, use the referral code ReddySir. Use the referral code ReddySir. If you are serious, my suggestion is take the subscription. You will get lot of advantage. You will get. So I hope this video is useful to you. Right? I tried my level best to keep the necessary things. Right? This class is really useful to you. Right? If at all anything is negative, anything is not suitable to you, see, I give a generalized one or two points you may not like it. That's okay. No need to take that much burden. Whatever you feel, right, you just do that. But don't think about the result, right? Just to do great work. So I hope this video is useful to you, right? We'll see in the next class. Thank you so much. Good night.